When you log into TextPlay, you will come directly to this page, Files. Here you will find all the files. On the tab My Files, you will have the files that you have been uploading. On the tab All Files, you will see all the files that both you and your teammates have uploaded. On the user page, you can see all the members that are in your team. You can search for a specific member, and you can also choose if you want to see members that have been removed from the team. On the integrations page, you can integrate TextPlay with various video platforms such as Brightcove, YouTube, and IBM. I'll go back to my files. At the top right, you have a menu. On Upload File, you can upload a new file to TextPlay to make a transcription. Here you can see how many credits you and your team have left to use. If you click on these three dots, you can go to your profile, find the team's custom dictionary, or sign out.